Millions everywhere are making thousands each month with the TikTok Creator Rewards program, all by creating quick, simple videos. The surprising part? These videos take just 10 minutes to make, and it's all done with AI. In this video, I'm sharing my exact formula that's delivering real results. But that's not all. I'll also reveal a fresh, untapped niche you can dive into right after watching. I'll walk you through 3 viral niches and show you how to create content for each one using a single, powerful AI tool. No need to spend hundreds on multiple programs. This one tool does it all, making video creation quick and easy. This is the first viral niche we're going to cover. This niche is one of the fastest ways to go viral on TikTok. What's crazy is that it has multiple subcategories like celebrity confessions, mystery texts, sassy comebacks, and office stories. You can choose any of these and start making videos, but usually this niche requires a lot of time and editing. That's where I come in to show you a quick one-click solution. Introducing AICut.pro, an AI tool that makes creating niche content incredibly easy. It's one of the best tools I've used for content creation, especially for dynamic niches like this. You'll find the link in the description to sign up. Once you're in, click Create Your First Video. On the main page, select Fake Text Story to get started. Here's where the magic happens. Start by clicking Add First Message. You can add your own messages, but for speed, I've got a ready-to-use prompt. Just copy it from the description, paste it into ChatGPT, and you'll have your script in seconds. Next, upload your script to AICut. Then switch to the chat tab, pick a theme. I'm choosing an Instagram style, and add a verified badge along with a name. You can even add a profile picture by pasting an image URL. For background, switch to the BG tab and choose your own image or video. Now, head to the Voice tab. AICut offers various voice options from OpenAI and 11 Labs. I'll go with 11 Labs. Pick voices for both the left and right speakers. Finally, select a soundtrack in the Music tab that matches the mood of your story. Once everything's set, scroll down and click Create Fake Story. In under a minute, your video will be ready. Just click download and it's yours.
Remember that sunset at the beach? The sky turned all those crazy colors, like a painting.
How could I forget? You almost got swept away trying to chase that wave.
Okay, I may have underestimated the ocean's power, but it was worth it, especially when you pulled me back, just like you always do.
I'll always be there to catch you, even from miles away.
Sometimes it feels so hard, you know? Like I just want to hold your hand and watch the sunset together, not through a screen.
I know. But every sunset I see reminds me of you. I keep thinking about how incredible it'll be when we finally watch one side by side again.
It'll be perfect. We'll make a picnic, and you can tell me your terrible jokes while I roll my eyes.
Hey, my jokes are legendary.
Legendary? More like legendary bad. But I love that about you.
And I love that you get me. The distance is tough, but it only makes me appreciate what we have more.
Me too. I'd wait a lifetime for those moments with you.
Just think, every sunset brings us closer to the next time we're together. Until then, we'll just keep making our own beautiful memories, right?
Right. Here's to more sunsets and terrible jokes.
To us.
This is the second viral niche in bucket. This TikTok account gained a massive 3.5 million followers and 210 million likes with only 31 uploads, all of them Reddit stories. That's how powerful this niche can be for going viral. Creating videos for this niche is incredibly easy. It takes just 2 minutes and a few clicks. Here's how. Head over to Reddit and search for popular story themes. Let's go with cheating stories. Find a great story, then copy the URL. Go to AICut and choose Reddit story. Paste the URL, then click Get Reddit Post to load the story. Once loaded, now switch to the Beach tab and pick a background. You can choose your own background or pre-made template. I'm choosing a Minecraft theme, but feel free to choose any background that fits. Next, switch to the Caption tab and select a style. Then move to the Voice tab and choose the best voice option from 11 labs to narrate your story. Finally, go to the Music tab and pick a fitting soundtrack. Once everything's set, scroll down and click Create Reddit Story. In just about a minute, your video will be ready. Hit download and your viral ready video is good to go.
Sabrina Carpenter helped expose the guy I was dating. I-24F matched with a 26M on Hinge a couple of months back. We've been casually dating since then, and I found out today he's been dating someone else for over 2 years. We went on a few dates and there was nothing out of the ordinary. If anything, he was really loving. He would hold my hand and call me pet names like my love, very reassuring. All the things I was looking for. From the start, he stated that he wanted a relationship and wasn't looking for a hookup. Through the dates, I believe those were his intentions. He lived an hour and a half.
This is the third viral niche we're going to cover. This TikTok channel gained 7,000 followers and 396,000 likes with just a handful of uploads, racking up millions of views. Now, let's create a video for this niche in just a few clicks. The best part, you can also use this content on YouTube and start monetizing your channel. First, we need a video script. Head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt I've provided in the description. Now you've got 10 hot video topics ready to go. Pick one and then head over to ChatGPT. Just ask it to write a script for your chosen topic. With one click, your script will be ready. Next, go to AICut and select AI Image Story. Paste the script we created in ChatGPT. Switch to the Video tab. Choose your video style. Then go to Caption and select your caption style. In the Voice tab, pick the best voice for your video. Finally, head over to Music and select a track that matches your story. Once everything's ready, scroll down and click Create AI Image Story. Your video will be generated in just a few minutes, ready to download. Now, if you'd prefer to skip ChatGPT for script generation, here's a quicker way. In AI Image Story, simply click Generate Script without pasting anything. Select a video topic from the prompt templates. I'll go with Explain Like I'm 5. Set your desired video length and click Generate Script. Once your script is ready, repeat the process, selecting video style, captions, voice, and music. Then click to generate and download your video.
Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this infamous area of the Atlantic Ocean has become a hotspot for unexplained disappearances. Over the years, countless ships and planes have vanished without a trace, leaving behind only questions. Theories abound. Some say it's due to natural disasters, while others believe it's the work of extraterrestrial forces. One of the most famous incidents occurred in 1945, when Flight 19, a group of 5 Navy bombers, disappeared during a training mission. Despite extensive searches, no wreckage was ever found. And it's not just planes. The USS Cyclops, a Navy cargo ship, vanished in 1918 with over 300 men on board. And again, no trace was...
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for future updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below on what topic you'd like me to cover next.